Check out this electric waterfall. Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, they are definitely.
It's different. Machining is different.
All right, come through. We move a lot of titanium. Lots of.
Look at this. Everything titanium right here. And nuts, bolts, all titanium. So here, Herman shows me around the whole factory and he's showing me the braces. So there is the billet braces. There's cast and billet ones, and he's explaining which one is for what purposes. And as we move forward, he shows me all the valve covers that's anodized and all the other hardware they have there in PRP. On your left side, if you look carefully, those are the billet that they use for making the valve cover, and these are the differentials with billet casing. So there's R200, couple of Ford, 8 inches or 9 inches. It's just mad. These things can do 3,000 to 4,000 horsepower without braking. And here's Sam drooling over all those billet parts, as usual. Here, like you can see, I was actually not recording, but it's a good thing my wife brought a backup camera. This is the GDR dry sump oil pan. Here is the engineering team drawing all the blocks, valve covers, heads, you name it.
Hey, for evil boys out there, you guys need PRP cam covers, holla, call me. Yeah, we'll hook you up. Good deal. It's being made.
This window spins so you don't get any water on the window.
Oh, this is pretty cool where this CNC machine actually has a wiper that keeps cleaning the windshield so you can actually watch the whole process. This is the PRP billet cam gears. That machine makes all these cam gears.
Jay-Z, right here. What else are you doing? You're doing RBs, you're doing ZZ, you're doing 4B, 53,
One you said,
one you did.
cigarette too.
That's the machine that makes valve cover. It's great. See all the anodizing is happening there. All anodizing tag.
And here he brings us to the anodizing room where all the items after machining gets anodized.
Everything happens here. Aluminum from here, CNC in here, anodized here.
This not only protects the item, but it also gives nice, beautiful finish.
Engraving happens here, yeah. You want to label something, it's right here. And let me show you something.
And now he walks us through the engraving, the laser engraving side. That's the billet brace, all the pulleys, billet main caps for 2J.
RB, RB, RB. The PRP trigger kit, how it's made. We can shoot this whole thing. I think I get it from the iPhone.
Here, Herman shows us how their PRP trigger kit's made. This is the one that bolts onto the cam gears, and this process takes about 20 minutes, and he actually walks us through the whole process. Surprisingly, their CNC machine products come out nice and clean finish. You don't actually need to deburr any of these. It's all the deburring and everything is done from the machine itself. Yep, so the product is done. So Herman here pulls it out and shows it to us, and it was just beautiful. I felt it. I went through the edges. It was nice and smooth. Nothing sticking out here and there. It was just beautiful machining.
That's a lot of chit chat. Yeah, it's a lot of chit chat. I was having a lot of chit chat in the other room.
Billet cylinders, billet blocks, you name it. All these billet items become something or the other. And all these billet ignition coil brackets, and they have their harnesses. They have everything that can get RBs and JZs to 1,000 horsepower or more, or 2,000 or 3,000. Everything here, right here at PRP. This is me holding a 4,000 horsepower axle. It was heavy.
big thank you to the DRIFTMOB team for coming out from the Philippines, our biggest and only distributor in the Philippines. They're going to be bigger and better in 25, but we appreciate them coming out, checking out the factory, getting a few photos. Thank you for the visit.